Hello, everyone. Good day, good day, good day. Welcome to our little corner here in frequencywonders.com. My name is Benjamin, and here with me today I have Susanna. Hello,
Hey,
Susanna.
hello, Benji.
So we are going to go through the pin promotion, how to buy and register, and this is for the European market. Okay, so let's dive right into it. I will go into my back office and show you how to buy the promotion package. Let's see. Here I have already logged into my back office. You know these sliders here, Prife International. As always, I go to navigational panel where we do our stuff in the back office. And then I go into purchase pin, the blue boxes. Click on that one. I select the region, and now we're working within the European Union, so EU. I choose the country, and in this case, I'm choosing Sweden. And I'm choosing Stockist. I'm choosing the German Stockist. And product, I will change it from product collected over to product not yet redeemed. And it's really important that you have it not yet redeemed. Always check that box, or in this case, check that box. So then I click next. And here you see there are two different kind of offers, but it's either you buy two premium and get two free classics, or you buy six hierarchical classics and get two free. And in this case, I will add the classic package to my chart. And here we see there is one package, and I could alter it up to 2 or 3, and the price changes just like a normal shopping cart. And here, what we need to control or check is that product is not yet redeemed. It's 1200 PV. It's $2,994. And here you can see I have $591 on this account in the bonus wallet. If I would like to, I could use that. And then I would just adjust the amount in this field to like $2,403. And then I click this box, and then you see I'm choosing to take $591 out of my bonus wallet. And then I would have to pay from my register wallet the remaining $2,403. So be sure before you go into this process that you've already topped up your register wallet. Here in remark, you can type whatever you want, but you have to fill in something. So it could be like da 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 da, and then your security password and hit submit. And then you have bought this package. Now, Susanna will show us what's the next step. So if you take over and share your screen.
I will.
And by the way, guys, this is the first time we're trying to duo an intro like this, so bear with us.
Yes. So here we are at one of my accounts, and I'll go to navigate. Here, let's say you have someone that you want to register, who want to have one. Okay, so we go to European Union, we go to, let's say someone is in Denmark, we want to register. Here, because of we bought the pin package from the German Stockist, which is my hubby, so we are a little bit biased. And here, product not yet redeemed, because what we're doing now is that we have these positions. So here you can see that if there was a full package, it would said 6 pins, we bought 6 pins. So now we want to register a position, but we have not received the classics yet, right? So we put it here, add to cart, and you fill in, you see pin balance. How many do we want to use? We want to use 1. Make sure it says 1 there. Then you register like the new account, the member name, blah blah blah, the name of the person, so it's Ole Bolle, and then the sponsor is you. So this is from my Sana 2 account. So it comes up my name. I go up here, and then I can choose if I want to go further down here. Let's say I think that's the shorter leg on this one. I can place, for instance, here, because this is my right leg. I don't place over here because this has nothing to do with my, it's not mine, my right leg. So I place one here, place. I do an email to the person who I register. So in this case, it's Ole Bolle. He gets, it's his email. And then my security password, which is the short one, and submit. Okay. Then what happens is that now we have registered Ole Bolle's position. Ole Bolle, I log out from my account up here, log into Ole Bolle's account. There, but the first time you log in, you have to do a new password and a security code that Ole Bolle will get. So you might want to, because the register, the what is it, password is always 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you might want to do it 1 2 3, let's say, as password, and 1 2 3 4 as a security before you can enter his back office. Then when you get into the back office, you go down under on the navigate at the bottom, you press pin in the red boxes, and here, whoo, there is a pin laying around. You click that one. Here, if you wanted to have it shipped, you say courier. If you want to self-collect, you can do that. But let's say here is courier. This is then Ole Bolle. And then his phone number, his email, his address, the city, state. When it's Denmark, I usually just do DK because we don't do states. Postcode, country, and security. Boom. Done.
And what would happen after that?
After that, then you have ordered the wand, the Havsubesen. I would send a welcome email to my new, and that's it.
That's it. So simple.
And yet not. Because
So,
the thing is, it's like there's a lot of confusion about this because they can't find pins and people don't realize you have to actually log into the other person's back office to be able to send order the pin, the product. So if you only do the first step of register the pin, they won't get the classic shipped to them. So that is why you have to log into their back office and go to the pins, the red boxes, pin/bonus redemption, and collect or do the order of the product there so it becomes shipped.
Okay. So it's we could say it's a 3 or 4 step process. First, you make sure there's a money on your account. Then you go into your account where the money is and you buy a package. That's the blue boxes by pin process. Then you go into registering pin using, you get how many? You get 6 pins.
6.
And 4 of them come, or was it 2 of them come?
It all depends on what promo it is, but in this case it's 6.
6 pins. So I go into registering pin, And by doing that, I'm actually creating a new back office for my customer. Because every device that is like comes with a pin, comes with a position, even though he doesn't never use it. It's just the way the system is built. And from there, after that is done, you need to log in to Ulle Bulle's back office. Good name. Bless you, Ulle Bulle out there. and order the device to be shipped to him. So that's the step number 3. And I saw that if after you bought a pin, when you go into registering pin, you need to make sure you change it from collected to not collected. Then your pin balance will show up. Before that, it's on 0. So if you're in registering pin and you're freaking out, where are my pins? Just change it from product collected to not collected, and then you will see your balance.
Product not redeemed.
Yeah, product not redeemed. Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Thank you.
Exactly.
Okay, so if there is anything else or nothing else, thank you for joining us for these moments, and the best of luck.